Louisville Mayor Greg Fisher called for a larger investigation of sexual assault allegations made against Brett Hankison, one of the officers involved in the shooting of Breonna Taylor.
WLKY has been investigating allegations of unlawful arrest made against that same officer. We spoke to a Louisville man, Kendrick Wilson, who filed a lawsuit against Brett Hankison and the LMPD last October, calling Hankison a dirty cop with a vendetta. Drew Gardner has the story.
And he needs to be exposed because he tried to take away my freedom.
Kendrick Wilson has had several run-ins with LMPD and Officer Brett Hankison and says it's no coincidence. He says his first encounter with Hankison was in March 2016 while leaving a bar in St. Matthews.
When I opened the door to get the girl in the cab because the Uber we was ready to pull off, he came and pushed the door, slammed the door shut. And I'm like, who is this guy? And basically started pulling the girl.
Wilson says he was unknowingly with Hankison's ex-girlfriend, and that's when his trouble began. Over the next 3 years, Wilson, who owned a barbershop on Bardstown Road, was arrested by Hankison 3 times. In March of 2016, Wilson was charged with assault in connection with a bar fight. That charge was later dismissed. In June of 2018, he was arrested on charges of trafficking, tampering with physical evidence, and resisting arrest. His attorney tells us this case is still pending, but provided this body cam video showing that drugs appear several feet away from where Wilson was standing on the sidewalk in handcuffs. Attorney Rob Eggert says there is no evidence Wilson either possessed the drugs or threw them. Bystanders can be heard in the video saying they watched someone drop the bag on the ground. Months later, in October of 2018, Hankison arrested Wilson again in St. Matthews for criminal trespass and trafficking cocaine. According to the lawsuit and court records, those charges were dropped less than 2 months later after lab tests for drugs came back negative. In October of 2019, Wilson details another incident.
Not only have I been falsely arrested, my business has been taken away from me. My house has been raided. I was slandered in my neighborhood. I just bought my house a year ago. You know how many cops pulled up at my house? They took me out in front of my business, in front of all my customers, had me in handcuffs.
According to Wilson, police said they were searching his home, car, and barbershop for drugs. A barbershop Wilson owned for 3 years, where even the mayor had visited.
They came and got me at Ford. They had cops all in Ford's parking lot. The whole Ford Motor Company was talking about this. They had cops all in their parking lot. They got me. Then you know what they did? They took me to my barbershop, made me unlock my door, which I don't think they had permission to do that. They made me do that, made me unlock my door, took me in my barbershop. Cops pulled up front and back, K9 dogs, all in my shop. You know what they found? Nothing.
Wilson tells us his experiences with police inspired him to join protesters in downtown Louisville.
If you look at me down at the protest, I'm cussing, I'm screaming, I'm yelling because I'm furious. When I was in his car, I was cussing, screaming, I was yelling because I was furious. But listen to the words that I was saying to him. I told him he's a dirty cop. I told him he's gonna pay for this. I told him I'm gonna bring him down. And he laughed and giggled. Laughed and giggled.
He now has a message for police officers who know and work with Officer Brett Hankison.
You people who are with the badge on, y'all are a part of what Brett's doing. And if y'all don't want to be associated with that and y'all don't want to be labeled bad cops, then come out and talk. And you guys need to turn on him. Quit protecting the shield and the badge. This is no longer a brotherhood.
Drew Gardner, WLKY News.